So today is a very exciting new video, as all of them are. So we have a lovely plum tree in our garden, and we're going. No, I should probably introduce you before I introduce the plum tree. Okay, let me start that again. Okay, hi everyone. So today is a very exciting new video with my best friend and my little sister. Hey! that was very improv. Making some great dessert. So we have a plum tree in our back garden, and we're going to be picking out fresh plums and making a plum crumble. Okay, so we have to get 800 grams of plums. Let's get started. So we've just picked out the plums. They're yellow plums, as you can see, and they're very sweet and nice.
They smell sweet as well.
Smells sweet. Let me smell them. Oh my god.
Yes, you can smell them.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, like shampoo.
Like peach shampoo, plum shampoo. Right, let's go
really
inside.
I absolutely love baking, so it's really great to be able to use fruit from my own garden, something that's so organic, to make apple crumble. No, plum crumble.
No.
You are my assistant today. So we have to wash these plums that we just picked. Then we need to halve them and stone them.
Okay, so I've been given the task of mixing the flour and sugar together. Anushka.
Yep.
I'm struggling
To figure out what flour is.
I can't find it. There's like
There
3
is
different types of flour.
A plethora of flour.
Can I do this one? This looks easy. Plums finished. Not. That's not even really final. Plums are here. I'm just gonna chop them a little bit.
Now that we've done the plums, we need to take a teaspoon worth, so like half of this cinnamon stick, grind it. You always cook with this, like on your shoulder, like you're like an Italian chef or something, I don't know.
Shout out to Anastasia for that one. She does the same. I feel like I'm one of those people who actually just does nothing. When it comes to like sweet things, I'm a main dish / starter cooker. Anything is to do with desserts or baking or anything like that, I'm just so like, that's Anushka's area.
We have this, and we have a rolling pin, so I think we'll just have to adjust.
Oh, cinnamon going in my nose. Right, painting. Wait, can I have a camera on top of a microwave? Oh my god. That's just the butter. That's fine. What's the worst that can
There's
happen?
nothing wrong. It's not going to explode or anything.
Okay.
Do you want to watch Trickle tonight?
Yeah. Why not? But what about Glee?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't mind.
Or are we going to do a film? What are we doing? Are you fussed about it? I think you want to watch it, don't you? I'm not fussed.
We watch a bit of Trickle, and when it gets boring, because it always does, we can just watch a film.
That's controversial. So, dish, plums in. They're quite chunky because somebody wanted chunks, which is okay, I guess. And then we're gonna make the crumble bit, and that, yeah.
our baby.
And we're gonna eat our baby.
Ew.
In 30 to 40 minutes.
Until golden brown.
Oh yeah. So fast forward to about an hour, 2 hours later on. We've had dinner and everything. We are watching Glee. And about to dig into, okay, she's already dug. Dig into our, okay, when I said our, Anushka basically made this. I was just there like, I really like it.
I think it's good. Yeah.
I think it's better than apple crumble.
Interesting. I don't know. I really like it because I think the plum has a nice sort of tang.
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah, yeah, I know what you mean.
It's really good.
You could obviously apple crumble served with cream and custard. Don't have that in the house, but
so I guess that is the end of the video. So you
give it a like.
That too, she knows. And yeah, turn on the notifications so you know when the next thing is uploaded. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.